Alrighty, what's going on today, you guys? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Lenovo backpack. This is a laptop backpack. It's the B210 model. Just actually recently got this, I would say about a month ago. I had a laptop, an over-the-shoulder kind of carrying case, and I don't know, it was just getting really old. It didn't have enough space. It really only had space for the laptop itself, and so I needed something that, you know, was made for a laptop but also could carry other things, you know, hard drives, headphones that I carry around, possibly extra clothes, etc. So it's really, really great. So far, I said I've had it for about a month now, and really been loving it. First thing, it's very inexpensive, which is awesome. For what it is, you know, it just feels really high quality, even being so inexpensive. It's very durable. It almost has this like, the outside is made of some sort of like polyester kind of material. Very, you know, it's very, kind of, I don't want to say rough. It's definitely not soft, but it feels very durable, I guess would be the thing. It's water repellent, which is great. You know, I've had to carry this around in the rain actually this past month, and I've noticed that everything inside has been completely fine, so it's nice that they have that. On the inside, you'll see they also have a really nice padding. And this is great because, you know, I put my laptop in here a lot. It has its own laptop pocket, and the back is padded a lot too. So, you know, if you put your backpack down on a firm surface kind of hard and your laptop's in it, you don't necessarily have to worry about it, you know, busting up or breaking the corners or whatever. It'll be okay, which is really nice. It's also really comfortable to wear, which I like. So like I said, the back is really padded, which is great because, you know, especially if you're carrying around things like laptops, which the corners aren't, you know, some laptops I guess are rounded corners, but most of them aren't, and it's going to be, you know, poking into your back and stuff if you don't have a padded back. So the fact that they put that here is really nice. It doesn't poke into your back. It's comfortable to wear. And it's also completely adjustable thanks to the straps right here as well. There are also these little mesh straps as well. They're very comfortable, very breathable because of the mesh material, so you don't get those, like, you know, weird sweat lines from wearing your backpack. Obviously I haven't worn it during the summer, so I can't really say, but you know, it's nice. It's a nice little addition. Also just keeps it a little softer on your shoulders and everything like that. You have, in terms of storage, it's, you know, pretty simple. You have your inside, which is your laptop pocket. That has a little Velcro strap right here, really convenient. Gives your laptop its own space, which I like. Then you can see I have my other stuff in here. This is a larger, basically the main pocket, I guess you could say. It's fairly large. You know, I could fit maybe like a good pair of clothes and my laptop in there with some other accessories and stuff like that. So, you know, it's not massive, but it's perfect for, you know, maybe like a student or like, you know, if you're taking it to work or something like that. Then you also have these tiny little pockets on the inside right here. Never really use those, but I guess those could be helpful in some way or another. And then also you have the front pocket too, which is the thing I like about this most is if you tuck this zipper away, it's kind of difficult to do with one hand. You get the point. If you tuck the zipper away, it doesn't even look like there is a pocket there. So it's great for security purposes. If you're traveling a lot, traveling abroad, and you want to, you know, keep stuff in your backpack, but also don't want people reaching in there and grabbing stuff, keep it in this more secure pocket that's harder to get to. Again, there's some smaller pockets on the inside of there, and then also a deeper pocket. So even though it may look small, there's actually quite a few little compartments in here, and it just makes for organizing things better, which I really like. I think in terms of like laptop size, I think it fits up to like the 15.5-inch laptops. Whatever like the larger MacBook is, I can't really remember. Fits mine perfectly. I also have like a 13 point something. But yeah, it leaves tons of extra space inside, so you know, you're pretty much good to go. Overall, last thing, I really love just like the minimal design. Especially, you know, I feel like lots of companies do the minimal design and they'll put like the logo on it, and the logo ends up being like the most obvious thing. And it's, I don't know, it just kind of like throws it all off. So I like that they kept it really simple. Even the logo is small, simple. Overall, it's just a great backpack. I would highly recommend it. especially if you're not looking to spend tons of money on a backpack. This Lenovo company, never heard of them before getting this backpack, and I really enjoy it. So yeah, I would highly recommend it. Again, Lenovo laptop backpack. It's B210. That's the model. Yeah, check it out, you guys. Alrighty, take it easy.